firstly, you're going to want to start with your oats in a blender, and you're going to blend them up so they make the flour consistency. Then we're going to add all of the wet ingredients, which include the peanut butter and the golden syrup, and then after that the chocolate chips. Then you're going to pour the mixture into a baking tray. Make sure that everything's well incorporated. Whilst you're doing this, you're going to want to melt some chocolate as well. And then after that, we're going to put the melted chocolate on top of the mixture and freeze. So once you put the melted chocolate on top, you're going to want to freeze this for about half an hour to an hour, and then you can cut it up into any size that you want, and then you get some cute little bars.